if you're new here, my name's Nancy and I do beauty and lifestyle videos, so if that's something you like, don't forget to subscribe. So today I'm going to be playing with the sandwich stages from the P. Louise Dish in the Dirt collection. I just want to show you some more looks that you can do with it, because I think it's one of the best palettes that I've tried. Like, I'm counting this as one whole palette. So let's get into it. I've done my face makeup off camera just because it's the same always, like literally the same as I always do it. And I'm gonna go off and do one eye off camera so I know what I'm doing, so I can walk you through it better. I've just done this eye off camera, so I thought I'd do it really simple, so people who want to play with colour but don't know how to, or they're beginner, can do it. The purple doesn't come up as much on camera, but this purple is more like a lavender shade, like the shade in the palette. Oh, looks a bit more like this, but I don't know why it's not coming up on camera. So for the first palette I'm going to be taking You're Just Getting Started Babe, and I'm going to take Bite Me. So I'm going to take Bite Me. Just this brush, it's just like a packing brush really, a flat packing brush. Just take it. I'm going to move to the side as well. So I'm going to pick some up on it. Now I'll pick quite a bit up. Oh, that would have been awkward. So first, before I take that colour, I'm going to take the P. Louise base in shade 2. Pop some on the eye. And then I'm just going to take the P. Louise number 7072 brush. And now I'm going to take Bite Me. So I just take a bit of product, and I always start on the outer corner and I'll just press. I don't scribble in straight away, I just press. Starting quite low on white, just on my lid as you can see. And as you see, I'm just going up like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna start taking it into my crease. As you can see, I've took it like into my actual crease. Next, you just want to get a brush. This is clean, there's nothing actually on it. And you just want to blend the edges out. But when I say blend, you're gonna hold the brush like this, just at an angle, put it onto your, like onto where the edge of the eyeshadow is, and just move it in tiny circles. First, I took a bit of Snap, which is the neon pink in the middle. And that same brush that we just blended with, I'm just going to tap a little bit. I just took a little bit of it. And literally on top of the blended part of Bite Me, I'm just blending this out. Once you learn how to do like the colours, that's why I always do the pink. It's easier to use the pink with the pink, because you know it goes together. And then I'm going to take Buttered Up, this like orangey colour. A sick colour really. And I'm just going to take another blending brush, dab into that, and go on top again. Just blending this in with the Snap colour really, just to create like orangey pinky colour, like sort of like a peachy colour. And then I'm going to take a tiny bit of the P. Louise base on the same brush that I used the first time. I'm just going to put it on. So I'm going to do a half cut crease with this, because I think the half cut crease is the easiest thing to do. So one of the ways I started was I would put it on my lash line, look up, and it will create a line. See there? done that. And then I'm gonna take the palette Damn I gave in Last Serving Please, and I'm gonna take Hungry AF, which is this like pink sparkly colour. You see? So I'm just going to take a flat brush and pick some of it up, and I'm just tapping it on top. You can also use your finger. Your finger will give better colour payoff, but this doesn't. This is good colour payoff. Brilliant. And then I'm going to take that blending brush that I keep using. I'm just going to take some of Snack and Buttered Up mixed together. Just blend the edges of it. So I'm just going to take some of Real Deal, which is that lavender shade. I'm just tapping that lavender shade underneath my eye. This is just to add a little, like, you know what you're doing. Just different. Just looks pretty, the purple and the pink together. I'm just going to take any mascara. This is just the Revolution, the Mascara Revolution mascara. That was a mouthful. And then I'm gonna use, I actually want a giveaway for these, and these are the Pixie lashes in the style Bella. It just looks like that. My ones have been cut down and I've used them so much. They need to be cleaned. For lips, I'm just gonna take the Hum Bun lip liner. Taking this Revolution pink gloss, but you can't get this, but I know Makeup Obsession do one, so I'll link that below instead. Put on the eyelash because I forgot about it. Just like that. Okay, so that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'm literally one away from 300 at this very moment. Yeah, and I'll see you next time. Bye.